All right, today we're going to be switching out one of these light switches. I have the power off already. We established the breaker. We're going to be switching out a regular single pole light switch with a Wi-Fi enabled, where they can control it from an app from anywhere. It requires a neutral wire, so we're going to see if they have that inside here. All right, we're going to begin removing the old switch. It's just undoing what? Screws, or in this case they backstabbed them, which I don't like doing. Now we're gonna pry these out. I don't have a punch tool, but what I do is I grab the wire from here and just give it a twist. Keep doing that. It might break the wire, you're just gonna restrip it. There you go. This switch still works. If you leave it somewhere else if they want. All right. I'm gonna start by putting a neutral wire on with the other bunch. Tug, make sure. Push these back. That's the last of the neutral. Now we have our ground and our two line and loads. Line is the power going into your switch. The load is going out to the appliance that you're going to be connected, the light in this case. Just so you know, line is the power, the hot wire. The load is whatever's going to be taking that, whatever's going to be getting powered by the switch. In this case, line and load. This is my line. Wire nut. And this is my load wire out to the lamp, or lamps, the chain of lamps. Now that we got the switch connected, we're going to go out, turn on the power before we put everything back together to make sure it's working. All right, it works, and you can see they have to set it up. They download the app, tie it into their Wi-Fi, and they'll be able to do this without manually pushing a button. But this is just a strictly on and off right now. They sell some that are dimmable. They sell some that are, all that can be done with through the app for this one. And that's it. All right, we're gonna go and push all these wires back in, get this buttoned up, put the wall plate back on. That's all normal stuff. All right, we're buttoned up. We got the switches back in tight where they need to be. Put the wall plate on. Downloaded the app for, and now you can turn it on through your app. Just push the button. This one's a Casa Smart TP-Link Wi-Fi light switch. They sell a bunch 3-ways. They sell outdoor lights. They sell. It's nice stuff. I actually have one with where you plug in, 6 different plugs, and you turn them all on and off from there. And that's it. She's ready to go. You can turn it on here, or you can turn it on here. 100 miles away, 1,000 miles away. Okay, see you in the next one.